What's up, all you mushroom growers out there? Want to know how you can grow mushrooms like this right from your house? Well, I'm going to show you. Alright, first things first, you're going to get a block like this. This is a lion's mane block. We have a blue oyster block and a pink oyster block. Once you get a block like this, you are going to cut a little slit in the top left or top right, doesn't really matter. And then fold the excess, push all the air out and fold the excess bag over like this, like I did here. Get a little slit at the top, push it all down, folded the excess bag on top of itself, and then I went ahead and cut a nice X in the plastic of the bag. And then this guy's a little, you want to keep these flaps shut and close to hold as much moisture as possible. Now you're going to want to mist this block with a little spray bottle. And then you're going to want to do that every day, 2 to 3 times a day. If you can spread it out between the day, great, that's awesome, until you get these little pins. But once you get those little pins, you're also going to continue to do the same thing, but it's important to notice the pins because that's when your mushrooms are going to come, and they're going to come in fast. You can kind of see some little pinning here of the mushrooms. Ooh, focus. Right there. And these are just these little tiny bumps you're going to start to notice, and then they'll start to just cascade out. So, 3 things that are important when growing these mushrooms. You are going to need 1, humidity. So to keep the humidity up, you're going to want to keep misting your block, keep misting underneath these flaps, and that will help promote the mushrooms to grow in that spot. 2, you want a little bit of light. A little bit of indirect sunlight will provide a little pigment to your mushrooms. And then 3, very important, if you don't want long stemmy mushrooms, is to maybe crack a window where you're fruiting the mushrooms. Or if you're growing outside, great, maybe you don't have to. One thing that happens with these grow kits is they don't get enough air. So when the air is just static in the room and just sitting there, you're going to create a big bubble of CO2 around your mushroom block. That's just going to make the mushrooms grow long stems. Stems, they can be good, but some people don't like them and they like the big juicy caps. Who doesn't like the caps of the mushrooms? So if we're going for that, we are going to want to get a little bit of air exchange for the mushrooms. So I hope that helps a little bit with your understanding of how to grow these mushrooms. 1, humidity, mist it every day if you can. 2, a little bit of air will go a long way. And then 3, we want a little bit of light to help add color to our mushrooms. That's it. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope this was helpful. If it was, leave a comment.